back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And for the first time ever, during our gaming battery drain test, we have a versus mode this time. The Mi 11 Ultra versus the Oppo Find X3, the non-pro version. It's also a battle between the Snapdragon 888 versus the Snapdragon 870. Which one is more power efficient when gaming? Alright, so first thing, like I said, we're going to play two games. Our two games is Call of Duty and Genshin Impact, both at its max settings for each of these phones individually. Alright, and then let's take a look at the specs real quick on these phones. What we're going to do, we're going to have full brightness. Hold on. They're both running 120 hertz refresh rate. They're both using, well, Mi 11 Ultra is using WQHD, while the Oppo Find X is using QHD+. All right. The Mi 11 Ultra has a 5,000 milliamp battery. The Oppo Find X3 has a 4,500 milliamp battery. All right. Brightness on this one is 1700, 1500. All right, so let's take a look at the specs real quick so you know what we're getting into before we start this gaming battle. All right, there you go. You know the specs and how the phones are going to be laid out, how the game's going to be laid out. So, let's get ready to rumble. Ding, ding, there goes the bell. The fight is over. And our final times were what? The Mi 11 Ultra, 4 hours and 26 minutes. The Oppo Find X3, 4 hours and 28 minutes, which is kind of weird. I thought this would drain faster the Oppo Find X would drain faster since it has a smaller battery of 4,500. But they pretty much were on par. So there's also a battle between the Snapdragon 888 versus the Snapdragon 870 in power efficiency when it comes to playing games, especially when Call of Duty and Genshin Impact is clocked out at its max settings. All right, so let me know down in the comment, what do you think about the results? Did it surprise you that they were basically the same times almost? All right, I'm your host, Ricky Knoles. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit those like buttons, hit that bell for notifications for new videos dropping, and hit that subscribe button to be part of Knoles CoolStuff family, and make sure you share with friends. Because remember, sharing is part of things we learned when we were in kindergarten. All right, until next time, my followers, be cool.